Don't forget to save this recipe because it will help you. It is very important. This is Bread Buns recipe. Now, you've been requesting for this recipe for the longest time now, so I decided to make it because it's not really time consuming. So let's go ahead and make authentic bread buns recipe. Now I'll be giving you everything you need here and also my secret in getting good bread buns recipe. 1 cup, 2 cups. I'll save the 2 cups first. That's 3 cups, 4 cups. Of course, I gotta take care of my baby. We have 4 cups here. I have here 1 teaspoon yeast. I have here 1 teaspoon baking powder. I have here 1/3 cup sugar. Add the sugar as you like. Half teaspoon salt. In my nutmeg. That's my flavor. Go ahead and use any flavor of choice. Now remember, nutmeg is a flavor. Do not add it too much because if you do, you're going to ruin your recipe. Please do not add it too much. Just a little will go a long way. So go ahead and add in your margarine 1 tablespoon. But if you're feeling fancy, 1.5 tablespoon. You can use oil, 3 tablespoons of oil. You're good to go. Go ahead and mix this. Go ahead and mix. So mix it till it looks something like this. I have here 1 cup of water with a splash of milk. That means the milk now small. Now we'll be adding the water gradually while mixing. If we need more water, we will add more water. All right. So I want you to do the same thing. Now I'm using here warm water. Okay. I'm calling it water because the water plenty past the milk. The milk was just small, like 1 tablespoon of milk. Then I added water. You understand? The water wasn't enough, so I went ahead and got another water here. Half cup of water. Now you can see I'm adding it gradually. I want you to do the same thing. You don't go and pour in all the water and say I said 1.5 cup. Me that is giving the recipe, I'm adding water gradually. You're seeing it. I'll go ahead and add in a little more water and we are done. You can see what we have here as leftover water. We did not finish the half cup. I'll go ahead and mix that very well and then knead the dough for 5 minutes. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. If you do not knead your dough, it won't come out smooth just like mine, so you have to knead your dough. It's no longer sticky on my hand, so I want it in my bowl here for a minute or 2. I will clear my work surface there, then knead the dough for the remaining 3 minutes, all right, on my work surface there properly. So I want your dough to be very smooth after kneading it. Now this is how our dough is looking like. This is after 5 minutes. It is smooth. It's no longer sticky. You can see all the one that was sticky before has unstick. So now we are going to allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Because we are working on it, we need the gluten to relax to help the dough soften more. You understand? Same bowl we used. I'll drop that in, cover for you to rest. See you in the next 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, this is how our dough is looking like. I'll go ahead and flour here. Pass. I'm not done, so I'll be dividing it into 2. You see now everything has relaxed. I'll go ahead and roll. Now just follow the same thing you see me doing here. If you don't have rolling pin, you get yourself a bottle. You understand? Roll and do what I'm doing here. You can see I roll, I double. Now if you do not double it like this, you're not going to have those layers you saw in the beginning of the video. Do you understand? So do what I do. Please follow this recipe judiciously if you want to get the same result that I got. Do not cut corners. Do you understand? Follow the same thing you see me do and get yourself a very good and nice recipe. Do you understand? I know one year I tried it, but it did not come out. Follow what I did here. It will come out the same way like mine. All right. Now pay attention on what I'm doing. You can see how I'm laminating the dough. Go ahead and do the same thing. If you want it to be puffy like you saw it, I will still show you how to roll normal. If you don't want to, go ahead and double the dough. How many times I doubled it? Okay. Now this is the final layer. I'll just go ahead now and widen it up so I can create my shape that I want to use. All right. Go ahead and trim out the uneven side because we want it to be even as you can. You understand? So go ahead and do that, and then use your knife or your cookie cutter, anything that you will use to make it pretty. Please use it and make it pretty. This is the shape we arrive at. Go ahead and cover it and give it 10 minutes before frying. Now, nothing spoil if you choose to roll it once. It will give you the same result, but it won't give you layers just like mine will give. Just like you saw on those videos, those layers you saw are because I laminated the dough. After rolling, go ahead and remove the uneven edges. Then cut it into any shape that you want it to retain after frying. Always remember not to roll it too flat, alright? So I'm still maintaining the same shape as you can see there. So just go ahead and give it that shape that you have to give it. So you can maintain the same shape or change it as you go. Don't forget to allow it to rest for 5 minutes before frying. Now pay attention on the oil. See what's going on there. I dropped that in. You can see the oil is simmering. It's not doing vrrrr. You can see immediately our dough is floating. The oil is not giving me that vibe. That means the oil is hot. It's not too hot. It's just the normal temperature we need for frying our dough perfectly well. And I'm frying on a medium heat. In the process of frying, you notice your donut is browning too fast. Your bread buns is browning too fast. Reduce the oil to the lowest while frying. All right. So this one is the dough that I laminated. You can see the thickness and you can see those layers there. I've done my part in bringing you this recipe. You guys know already that people pay money to acquire this knowledge that I'm giving you guys for free. So do me well by liking, by sharing. Now, don't forget my thank you in the comment section, all right? So, bye!